Fold it in half. Yeah, you fold it in half. Flip it over and fold it in half again. Yes, you do it. Next, you flip it over and then do it again. Yes, you do. Have to do it. Now open it up and you number your pages. Yes, you do. Excuse me. Excuse me. What a silly thing. Next, you cut the middle. You cut here and here. Yes. You need a teacher of clay. Here is it. Here is it. Here is it. So then we'll read this. And the comic goes. Look out. That makes this word on. Now, oh, not this part. Not. Part to not. This part.
And
Oh,
then
yeah,
you do
this
this.
part.
Squish.
And then you have this, and then you fold. And then you need a real teacher to explain, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the correct block. 5, 6, all the way to the back cover, front cover. More. We need a. I think a little back.